Welcome to another episode of Legal Dilemmas, where you will find clear, concise legal advice. Today's topic of our conversation is around whether you can claim a share of your husband or wife's pension on divorce. And that's a question that I'm going to put to Brenda around finances. So can you assist us, please?
Yes. A pension is considered as a matrimonial asset. It is part of the matrimonial pot and has to be declared in any negotiations and proceedings. So either party can claim against the other person's pension.
Are there any exceptions to this?
Yes. You can contest a claim on a pension by arguing it was a premarital asset or it was acquired after the separation between the parties. However, that does not mean the pension will be excluded, but it is an argument you can advance. Also, it may not be equitable to divide the fund, for example, if the costs outweigh the benefit, because there are costs to split a pension, and if the fund does not have a great value, then there is little point in splitting it.
Yeah. So that makes logical sense on a practical level. Brenda, what can the court order then for a pension?
Okay, so the most common is a pension sharing order. In most cases, the courts will want to see equality of pension provision, especially if you've had a long marriage and one spouse's pension is greater than the other. So if that happens, a percentage of the person with the higher plan is transferred to the other party with the lower pension value. So you have to obtain a value of each pension fund and do the calculations. Then a percentage is transferred to the party with the lower fund, and that is then held in their name until they decide to claim on it and retire, and that's a pension sharing order. The other option is pension attachment. Now, that earmarks a proportion of the pension pot to be paid to the other party when the pension is drawn down. However, the risk with that is that if the pension fund holder dies, there will be no drawdown, so any benefits will be lost. It's very rare to have pension attachment. And the final option is pension offsetting. That is where one party decides they don't want to claim on the pension, but they would rather have something else instead, which could be a greater share of the savings or a greater share of the equity in the family home. So any pension claim is offset.
Thank you very much, Brenda. That's really helpful, and it actually sounds quite technical. So I think if there are pensions involved, you probably need some support, you need some legal advice and assistance, and from the sounds of things, the greater the pension, it's even more important that you get the correct advice and support, because it is part of the matrimonial pot. Some really good points around the different types of pension arrangements that are available, and please do reach out if you need any further support on that, or if you've got any observations or experiences to share. In the meantime, hopefully you found this content really helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, put your notifications on for further great legal content. Thank you.